Hey, this is a quick tutorial video on navigating the virtual gallery. So once you click on the enter button, you'll see these little thumbnail images here, and they're really directionals. This one here is the menu. You just click on it, right? This is the introduction if you want to read the introduction again. This is you want to invite or share somebody in your list. And this if you want to hide these people right here, right? If they wig you out, you don't have to look at them. And this is just how to move. These are just directionals. So you can click on the catalog. This line of images here is called the catalog. And if you click this arrow, if there are any images on the right, they'll come up. And if you want to go back, you can do this. But if you want to actually see the video move, you can just click on the your left mouse and move with your other hand. You can move around. So you do have to click and move. So you need two hands or one if you're really good. So that's kind of cool. So you can click on one painting there, or you can click on it here. But let's click on it here. So you might have to click on it a few times. Right? And there you go. Now if these down here are in the way of your viewing the artwork, you just click on this little icon over here. Again, you might have to click on it a few times for it to actually respond, right? So then now you have that clear. So if you want to go back to seeing the whole gallery, you do have to do the motion again. Just left click your mouse and also use your other hand to move around. If you have a touch screen, you can also touch screen. So, and if you want to see the menu, the catalog again, you just click here on the catalog. So this button here, it's not going to work much, but that was the last image that we did see. So let's just touch on another image. Let's see what this red one is about. And you see it comes up here for you so you know what you're looking at. And again, if this is in the way, you just have to click on this little part of the box and it'll go back up. So if you want to buy this piece, right, you see it's $600, you just click again on that little box and you see the word buy. You click on that and it will take you to our e-commerce platform, which is on our website, and you can then go ahead and purchase, adding to cart, and it'll take you to the PayPal page. We're connected with PayPal here. Alright, so, and if you want to go back now, you just go back to where you were on another tab, right? And if, again, you don't want to see that anymore, or if you want to see the catalog, right, you click on that and you have the catalog again. If you see something on the catalog you want to go straight to, like this one I believe is called Wave, it'll take you right there. Yes. And again, if you want to move around or see it closer, you left click and touch your cursor, and it'll, depending on how you direction your cursor, is how it will be navigating. So you can keep going. If you want to see the whole gallery, just keep doing that. So I'm using two fingers. I have one finger on the left side of my mouse and the other one is moving the mouse to the right. Again, if you don't want to see the people right here, you can just click hide people and now they're not there anymore. Okay, I think I covered everything. Let's go back here. Oh yes, the media. So this is media. This is taking you to the page that has more information about the artist. And this is his web page, Art Impact International, Peter Cassina. You can read more about him, including his bio and statement and so forth, on this page. I'm not going to go through this too much because it's sort of outside of what I'm doing here. So now we're going to go back to our gallery, and there you have it. So again, just to recap, this button here, you click on it, it will hide all of that information, which is called the catalog. This is just your navigation menu here. If you want to hide this menu, right, now it's hidden. If you want to see it again, right, if you want to see the introduction, here it is. If you don't want to see it anymore, click the same button. If you want to share or invite people to view this show, you can do that as well. It'll take you to your email, I believe, right? It's connecting, or right, your email, your LinkedIn, your Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, what have you, right? If you don't want to see that again, you just click on the same thing you click to see it, right? If you want to show the people again, here they're back. And if you get confused again, here is the navigation instructions. Okay, I think I covered everything. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for watching.